I run product and sales at Bunch, founded the company 4 years ago after trying to build up a fund within a fintech company builder. In 2021, raised 150 million first-time fund, and it was exciting. It was a great time to raise, but at the same time, I figured out how analog the entire process is, and it was the inception moment of Bunch. And with Bunch, we believe in privates. We believe that there is more need for more transparency, and more transparency leads to more accessibility. We are at the crossroads for private markets to become mainstream, and we build back and middle office solutions for our clients to become scalable. It has helped privates to go where they are today, and scale helps. Nevertheless, scale has usually led to not an increase in margins, and scale has led to a lot more people on your company. And in the end, your LPs have a message, or have an ask to you, which is what all GPs are all about. So you need to create operating leverage to participate in the retification of privates, to really participate in the next phase of growth. And this is really where we tap into, and we create a unified system that you can run your fund on. When we started this as a pure technology play, and we quickly realized if you create a SaaS solution only, you tend to still wrap it around broken legacy systems. So today Bunch is running on 3 pillars. One is technology, one is software. The other one is service. We believe that our services people are ensuring data quality and are ensuring that it's a unified system. And in the end, we want to more and more give the data back to our customers. So data and customer data, LP data, fund data, and portfolio data is the third pillar. Our system starts with a ledger. We try to understand blindly, more and more AI-driven, every single transaction in the fund between LPs, GPs, and portfolio companies. So we start at the ledger, and it's fed. This unified system is fed by LP data, fund and accounting data, and portfolio data. So how do we get this into our system? How do we normalize it? This is where our services teams are deployed to create quality gates and ensure quality, because in the end, a cost of doing a mistake is very, very high. So from my perspective, this is where you should invest. I think other angles are LP interactions. We have roughly close to 10,000 LPs soon on the platform. A lot of questions are very similar, but they want a very, very personal touch, and this is obviously where I can create a lot of customization. And lastly, maybe a bit an odd one, but techs, even though that the cost of doing a mistake are still quite high, have a lot of repeatable processes that you can translate into AI or code. So I believe in the next couple of years we will see a lot of opportunity there. Nevertheless, not every door that you open is going to be golden, so every decision should be taken carefully. But ledger, LP comms, and tax will be my 3 choices for the next couple of years. To double tap on the ledger again, I think the main question should be how much of your fund runs on a single source of truth? How much of your fund manager, of your asset manager? You will have different strategies, different structures, different countries, jurisdictions, and how much of this is running on a unified system? Not easy to come up with the right number or come up with the actual number, but it's, I think, an important question to navigate the next years. Second question, what can I decommission? I think everybody knows that AI creates this opportunity where SaaS is being challenged from an operator standpoint. In the same way, you should look at your internal stack, because most firms we speak with patched up a lot of different workflows with a lot of different solutions. So question number 2, what can I decommission? And the last question, to frame it much more positively, I think we are really on the crossroads, and in order to tap into more growth opportunities, you don't need to do everything on your own. We've tried to do that, and I think we iterated from that. So what are the right partnerships in terms of distribution, in terms of new markets, in terms of new origination that I can set myself with to participate, even though my firm might not alone be ready for it. So what are the right partners, what can I decommission, and how much is actually within a single source of truth.